Our forcible entry door is designed with 2 doors on 1 jamb. One to practice and simulate outer swinging doors, and the second to practice and imitate inner swinging doors. Forcible entry door has been designed with the removable pieces in both the jamb and the container door, making it easy to change out between breaches. There's 2 ways to use our forcible entry door. The first way is by sliding the rod into the jamb wood. When you force the door open, it blows out your jamb wood, which is very easily replaceable. The second use is by putting a piece of 2x2 inside the sleeves on the outside. To make it more difficult, you can add the second one in on the bottom. The same system can be replicated with our inner swinging door. For more information, visit our website, taylord.com. That's spelled Taylord.com.